कोर्टाच्या आदेशा उपरांत मोर्जे एका अनधिकृत बांदकाम मोडपाक गेल्ले कडेन एडव्होकेटाक आनी ताच्या आशिलाचेर 10 जाणांच्या गटान हल्लो केलो. तांकां लोखणाच्या सळ्यांनी आनी फातरांनी मारपेट केली. ह्या प्रकरणात मांद्रे पुलीस स्टेशनात गुन्यांव दाखल करून भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023तल्या वेगवेगळ्या कलमां खाला गुन्यांव नोंद केला. प्रकरणात आता मेरेन 2 जाणांक ताब्यात घेतल्या.
Car glasses got broken. They opened the car, kept my mobile. They took the files everywhere. They took us out. They tore our clothes, shirt, started hitting me and made us fall down and kicking and with breaks from back, from front, whatever. That I'm ready to withdraw all the cases and so please stop now. Don't kill us because they were about to hit rod on the head and all. I said I will withdraw whatever is there. Then they made us write in the paper that I will withdraw the case pending before all the courts. I will not pursue the matter. It will be full and final settlement with the parties. I will not file any police complaint against this incident. It will be claimed as a self-accident.
So you wrote what they told?
Yes, I have written to save our life. Today it has happened to me. Tomorrow it may be other because this illegality, there is no control on illegal constructions across the coastal zones. One thing is sure that there is no fear of law and order. He very confidently said that he actually pay all the local authorities. High level of corruption, not corruption. Means despite order and all these things, authorities not taking action. And after having a order, constitutional court order, you cannot, how to get a courage to attack any party. Brutal attack means it's a complete failure of law and order.
बार काउन्सिलान हल्ल्याचो खर शब्दांनी निषेध केला.
Statement on behalf of the bar is obvious. It is deprecated and it is there's a protest to it. The association wrote to the chief minister, wrote to the police to take necessary action and to avoid these assaults on the legal fraternity.
म्हापसा एडवोकेट्स फोरमाचो प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून आमी हाचो निशेध करता आनी अशें दिसून येता की इवन कोर्टाचे ऑर्डर्स आसतना त्यांची अवहेलना जाता, लोकांक मारलें वता. हातूंत म्हाका दिसता की गव्हर्मेंट आनी पुलिसांनी सख्त कारवाई करपाची आनी इमिजिएटली एक्शन घेवन ते जांच्यांनी हें केलां तांकां गजाआड करपाक जाय.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.